Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of 1 Technical, as our money analysis session, our daily money analysis session. So, as we all know, this is basically a market analysis session where we're basically just looking for opportunities can get in the market, and then you guys get to see my strategy, how I get my entries and exits. Yeah. So now, before we get started, probably for those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page, and you can always share and then drop comments on what you want to be seeing. So let's start. Fundamental wise, today we have news everywhere, high impact news. We have news on the euro that's in 2 hours. That's by 11 a.m. 11. That's supposed to be 10. What's this time set at? Let's see. Check. The time. There's no place I can change it. Okay, yeah, it's 11 a.m. So we have news on the euro by 11, and then we have news on CAD. CAD just has a lot of high impact news and medium impact news today. That's around 1:30. Then we have by 3 o'clock. This is nice. Today is actually going to be sweet in this market. Anyhow, yeah, so let's watch out. We might have crazy moves today. I'm actually looking to do something crazy. I was doing things crazy last week, but I want to step up the game this week. So last week I was actually risking 4% of my accounts. Today I want to risk like 4.5. Yeah. Anyhow, so let's jump on our charts. Yeah. So I'm going to start with NZDUSD. I'm going to start with NZDUSD. So if we look at NZDUSD on this time frame, yeah, okay, since it's the beginning of the week, let's go to the higher time frame. Let's go to the 4H. This is where it's complicated. Because if you look at this 4H bar, this is what it's basically looking like. It's looking like, oh, price created higher high, higher low, higher high. Then now it's starting to form, how will I put it now? Now it's basically formed, it's coming to form another higher low then for us to continue the market to the upside. But if you go to the 1H, you see that we clearly have head and shoulders here. So this is what we have here. We have price basically created this high here. We pulled back, we created the higher low. We went up, we created the higher high. We came back, we created more or less equal lows here. We pushed up, we failed to create another high, and then we broke those lows to the downside, consequently bringing in a shift in market structure. Now, that shift in market structure basically means that price is what basically changing to a bearish market. Do you understand? But then, honestly, how I'm going to trade this, yeah, I know I used to say that anytime the 4H is conflicting and then the 1H is, maybe the 4H is different and then the 1H is showing differently, I'm going to leave it alone. So now this is how I'm going to approach this thing. First, I plotted my Fibonacci this morning. And then I saw that the 0.618 is still currently around these levels here, which I was expecting that, okay, price might actually push down a bit before we actually see price should push down a bit so that the 0.618 can sit with these zones here. But since it's here, if price just start retracing here, what I'll just do is I'll set pending orders. I'll set a sell limit, yeah, at this 0.618, but I'll not be looking to stay inside the market for long, honestly. I'll just look like a 1.5 RR trade because that's all I need right now, 1.5 RR. So I'll look for like a 1.5 RR and then maybe get out because we might actually see price react from here. Then we might just react small and then just continue back in the uptrend, or we can just react and then continue the downtrend. But then honestly, that place is actually a zone that I can look for sales at. So I'll just wait. Let's see how price is going to behave. If price starts retracing now, then that's where I'll be looking to enter. This is the setup I'll have on NZDUSD, and simply because NZDUSD has created a lower low, I'm waiting for price to come back, create a lower high, then we continue the trend to the downside. So that's what I'm just going to look at, or that's what I'm going to be looking at currently on NZDUSD. Then we have AUD. AUD has been ranging, so I'm not really going to say anything about this. So this is the range. Clean range. It has been doing buy at support, sell at resistance. So, and I hate trade. I cannot even trade range. So I'm going to leave it alone. Is there any other currency pair you guys want us to take a look at?
Yeah, let's look at GU and good.
Kizzy 4PF is shouting on the group chat, let me in. Has he been let in? Okay, you said we should look at GU, yeah? GBPUSD. GBPUSD. Wow. So market structure is this? Okay, this was what I think I was analyzing this with someone yesterday, and then we're like, let's see how it's going to behave. But then normal surprise still did not come back into those Fibonacci levels, and then we just exploded to the upside. So now, this is what we have. Price has been doing this very sweet uptrend that is actually scary because it's GU. Higher low, higher high. We formed the higher low here yesterday. We formed another higher high. So now, what can we watch out for? Price has basically made an impulsive move to the upside and the situation right now. The first instinct is basically drop my fee. Let me see where the 0.618 areas are. So now if you see where our 0.618 area is, it's almost aligning with this zone here, that resistance zone that was broken. So it's actually a potential area to watch out to see how price will behave once it gets inside. So it's just entry here, stop loss a few pips below, and then what we'll be targeting will be this high here basically. So it's just to wait for price to actually get into those areas. Then another thing I want you guys to pay attention to is that as you see GU coming down like this bar, and we're looking to enter at 0.618, if you see any sign of shift in market structure at the top here, that's price just push up and then breaks a low, please exit the market. You don't want to be caught up inside that shift in market structure, or you don't want to be caught up in a situation where price has shifted and then you're still looking to buy. You just chop small loss, or some people that will not use proper risk management will chop big loss. Anyhow, so that's basically it on GU. Currently, with what market is doing, we're looking to enter here at 0.618 stop loss below. This is how you can trade it. And then you can just target the 0 or the minus 0.27. Any other currency pair you guys want us to check? Anyone? So Kizzy 4PF don't have any currency pair for me to check. Okay, Chiku, how are you?
I don't have any currency pair for you to check.
I'm fine. Good morning.
Good morning. I can see you're making progress. It's nice. You guys should keep it up. It's good.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Anyways, if there's no other currency pair, please, there was something, someone was talking about him losing.
Very so.
What?
Okay, please let's check on gold.
Good.
Because it's like it formed the head and shoulder pattern on the 1 hour time frame.
Let me see. No, it has not formed it yet. Do you understand? So price just pushed up, created the high, created the low, created the high, created the low. It has created this other one. Sorry, it has created this other one, but it has not broken those lows to the downside yet. So we cannot say we have a head and shoulder. Still, we break these lows to the downside. And if we don't, then it's just a normal day in the market. Leave it alone. So until we break those lows to the downside before we have that confirmation that it's head and shoulder pattern. Currently, the shift in market structure has not happened. We are still bullish. Any other currency pair you guys want us to take a look at? Okay, I'll take the abs and the silence as no other currency pair. Please, for those that came late, I'll be sending the video to the group so you guys can take a look at it and see the setups we have. Basically, it's just NZDUSD and GU that have potential setup. So for now, it's just a sit back and wait for price to get into our zone. Yeah. So you guys have a very beautiful and wonderful trading day, profitable trading day.
No,
Please,
hold on.
who is holding me on? What's up? Who is holding me on? What's up?
Please go back to that good.
Go back to what?
Good.
Okay. Okay, what's the problem with gold?
You said it has not turned to a downtrend yet.
Yes. So now let me break it down for you. Yeah, we had a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, then another higher low here. You understand? Price pushed up, failed to create another high, but at the same time, we have not broken any higher low to the downside yet. Until we break a higher low, we have not shifted structure. Do you understand?
But it looks like it's forming head and shoulder pattern.
Yes, do you understand? But then we have not gotten that confirmation yet. Do you get? You can just jump on the sell right now, and then price might just bounce off the support level here, and then just push to the upside. Do you understand? Price might just bounce off, boom, then we're going up. Do you understand? So it's better to wait for that shift in market structure. Then we know that it's actually a selling market. Then we can wait for the proper retest continuation, basically. Simple as that.
Okay.
Do you understand?
What was the general trend on gold?
It's currently bullish. Let's go to the 4H so that you guys will look at this. Look at it on the 4H. What is this? It's clearly bullish. It has not shifted yet. We've just been having higher highs, small higher lows, higher highs, small higher lows. You guys understand?
Yes, boss.
No.
Yes.
Did I hear no?
No.
Who doesn't understand?
Yes.
What is it that I don't understand? Is it a shift in market structure?
Yes.
Who exactly is not understanding this? Let me take a look at it.
I don't know. This, you said price created a higher high, a higher low, higher, but for it to create another higher low. But
No, that's not what I said. I am saying price has not broken any higher low yet. This was the last higher low. Price has not broken it yet. Do you understand? When I was teaching you guys market structure, I said that if in an uptrend, when we break a higher low, that's when we have a shift in market structure. As long as we don't break it, we're just, maybe currently you can say maybe we're ranging in this time frame. Do you understand? But since price has not broken the higher low to the downside, we have not shifted to a bearish market. It's not me that is saying it. It's basically the rule of market structure.
Noted, boss.
Good.
but
Who's saying but again?
this place you drew this zone now.
You know what? See, I'm going to do your bots. Go and do your bots. Yeah, I've given my own professional, and it's not professional. How do you point of view?
Something.
Eh? Wait, first, let me show you the difference. Look at NZDUSD. NZDUSD, I said NZDUSD has what? A head and shoulders formation here. So let me explain it. Why is that NZDUSD's own is different? NZDUSD created this high here. We created the low. We created another high. We created a low. And then we failed to create that high. But then we came back to break that higher low to the downside. Look at it. This higher low here. We broke it to the downside. Do you understand? See, price broke it to the downside. But then look at gold. XAUUSD. Look at gold. We did not break it. Do you understand? Look at gold. Price just tapped into those levels and then it's rejecting. That's why I've not confirmed it yet. Kizzy 4PF. Do you
boss.
understand?
Yes, now I understand.
Thank you very much. Before I can hear but you argue with market.
Joshua, do you understand?
I think so.
So that you go back
This is
and
just
watch.
very easy. Now. It's just a very simple thing.
What?
Just that's range. There's just a good range. The up and the down. If it doesn't break
I'm not hearing Kingsley
below
again.
that place, that means it's not a downtrend yet. So that's when it's a downtrend. Then you wait for a retest. Then you enter the sell.
Yes.
Just
That's
very
basically.
simple. Then when it breaks to the upside, it has shifted structure from that. It has actually continued the uptrend.
Thank you.
That's
Okay,
what
so
it
I don't
means.
want to explain this thing because I can't believe it's Kizzy 4PF that is explaining it.
Skizzy, why?
I'm the one.
See, it's basically simple. We're just following market structure. So as long as the market doesn't break to the down, we're still bullish. So is there any other question? Okay, so in the absence of any question, please, no one should tell me hold on again. You guys should have a very beautiful trading day. And please, always remember your risk management.
I'm the one explaining.
Always
It's
remember
not even they
your
pay
risk
attention to
management.
it.
So please don't go against your risk management.
Yeah, for good too much.
Say that Yahoo.
Sorry, Scooby, please, a question.
Yeah, what's the question?
Is my ID card ready?
I'll catch you guys same time tomorrow. Bye, guys.
But is my ID card ready?